1100, I think.
Oh,
Maybe not 15. It's yeah, it's 1100. 1100 to the buffer.
you can trade those on Tradeovate.
Yeah.
You can multi-trade multiple accounts.
Yeah, you can copy trade them on Tradeovate.
See, I might look into that.
So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna check out tomorrow, because I sent you the video on it. Was that competition firm that's starting tomorrow? So theirs is gonna be $100 flat fee, $100. It's no eval. It's they're treating it like a trading competition. Is how it's marketed, right? So the way it's going to work is there's going to be a pool of money that is funded by you buying an account. You buy an account, $80 of your 100 goes into this trader pool of money. When the pool hits $40,000, so 5,000 accounts, then the competition starts. You get to trade. You can only trade one mini or 10 micros. That's it. It's a $2,000 static drawdown, so the floor does not move. It's $2,000. To get paid, all you have to do is make $100 a day, 5 days. That qualifies you to get paid. That's it.
Oh,
Now, when you get paid, you opt out of the competition. So that closes that account. You can buy another one. You can have 5 at all times. You can always have 5. You can buy another account. Now, you can make up to $2,000. Okay? And still get paid cash money. You can opt out for that $2,000. Now, if you make $2,000 or more, they transfer 90% of that money into a live account. Automatically. You don't have a choice. It goes into a live funded account. And you can trade that just like it's your money. There's no consistency rule. There's no DLLs. None of that shit. Static drawdown stays the same. And you go from one mini to 2 minis in a live funded. Now, if you keep buying the competition accounts and make money on them, you can take that money and put it directly into your live account. One funded account.
who is this?
It's called Tenacity. They haven't started yet. They start on the 1st. It'll be the first launch of it. Now, here's the thing. When all the money, let's say the trader pool is $40,000. There's 5,000 traders. They put the money in there. It's $40,000. When people start making money, it comes out of that trader pool. When you request a payout, it comes out of that. When that number hits what they call equilibrium, which means the amount of people in profit and requested payouts matches the amount of money in the pool, trading is stopped on the competition. And everyone is paid out, whatever their profits are. If you're not in profit, then you just have to wait until the next competition restarts when the pool hits 40,000 again.
So even if if you get to the funded part, you get 2,000 and more.
Now, if you're in the funded part, you're out of the competition completely. Then you're just trading live funds, your money.
So it's a win-win no matter what. Basically.
Yeah, the only people who lose are people who are not at all in profit. They're not over. They've made no money in the profit zone at all, and the trader pool goes to equilibrium. Those people lose out on their money. They're $100.
Now see, that's a competition I can get on right there.
Yeah. So is the more and it updates in real time. They show you on their dashboard. They're going to show you how many traders are in, how much money's in the pool, constantly. So the max that someone, you could take out more than 2,000. If you made $10,000, they would just transfer 90%, $9,000 into a live funded account. So you can make over that, but it's gonna go into a live account after that. But they're saying like, well, the whole, I guess, premise behind it is that all of the other prop firms are so predatory on you, wanting you to blow accounts to make money. They need you to blow accounts to make money. This guy is saying, we're going to take $20 from every account purchase. That is our operating cost, overhead, and profit off the top. So every $20 goes to them. $80 goes back to pay back the traders. That goes into the trader pool every time. and it's going to be transparent on their website, showing you how many people are active, how much money's in the trader pool, so you don't have to worry about getting paid. You know the money's there. And he wants everyone who's successful to trade on a live account. Now, where they benefit from that is they get a 90-10 split. They're going to get 10% of your profits in a live account, but the money that funds the live account is still comes out of that trader pool. So they're not putting up that money at all.
Basically, everyone else is.
Everyone else is putting up the money.
It's solid.
Yep. As long as they get people to sign up and keep going. I mean, 5,000 is not that many accounts, especially when you consider most of these traders are going to buy 5 accounts.
Oh, yeah.
But, you know, you don't have to hit any. I mean, all you have to do, even just look at it this way. You spend 100 and you want to pull out 450 in 5 days. All you got to do is make $100 a day. And that's it.
That's not bad.
And you've got a $2,000 non-moving static floor. So it's pretty neat. You know, you don't get to use Tradeovate. You got to use like Quant Tower or Rhythmic, but you know, that's here or there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna check them out.
You have to send me that link. I'll be right back though.
What's up, Connections? You ready to go to all-time highs next year?
Sure.
Little smaller dividend on the ULTY this week, 48 cents.
48 cents?
Yeah. Not terrible, but I think it was 58 last week. Good old PW got liquidated on some silver. He went like full port silver minis. That did not take long at all to liquidate that dude. Oh well, it's just evals. For him, it's just evals. Like to make a little money today. See what we can bang out here. I think I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I think there's a chance that we get a nice little movement today. Gold is untouchable again. It's already bounced up pretty good, sold off pretty good. I'm not trying to mess with that. Probably pretty much at that overnight low. Pretty bearish.
You can be certain Johansson's long.
Well, you already know he's long. You don't have any other. He don't have a choice. He only got one button. He's got buy and buy more. That's it. He doesn't even have an exit at market and close button. It's just exit. There's no close. It just stays long. Just closes the screen. Yeah, I think I think we get a little drop and a little pop. A little drop and a little pop. I'm looking to buy the drop,
It is
but
not looking too hot.
yeah, well. No drop. Okay. Looking for a little drop down, break that low real quick, but that's pretty much it. That's gone. Wow. See you later.
So,
Damn. Ah, no drop at all. Just straight rip. Why not? Why not be a straight ripper?
not.
Why not? Yeah. Why not? Bub said he liquidated his PA account yesterday in a gold long at open.
That's not good.
Yeah, no kidding. Your strategy 154. That's down there. Yeah, I don't know. Yesterday's high was pretty high up there. It's like 25,890. Don't know that we want to go there though. Let me look at the posties for the day. See what the posties are looking like. Looks like the bullish reversal zone is 664. Up to 807. Okay. 664 to 807. Gold dropping. Anything else really on sale to matter? No. Nothing really on sale that matters.
Nothing really matters.
Gold dropping. I expect gold to freaking go straight down like 40 points. See what's gonna happen. Right high is 755. Love that. Risk to reward here is not great. You know, the longer term charts are pretty bearish for all. The bearish consolidation. You know, now, historically, I'm pretty sure January is a pretty downside month. January, February area. Need to see that holds. I was listening to this podcast last night about the pyramids and how the pyramids were built to harness Earth's energy, and this guy's theory is that they were basically like you were using pyramids to capture some kind of gases or something. I mean, it's a pretty wild thing, but man, I fell asleep listening to that, and my dream was wild. I was there. I was in the pyramids. We were doing research. It was freaking gnarly. Gold falling off a cliff. Still thinking about it. Gold's going to VWAP. Gold is making its way to VWAP.
Slide?
Do what?
Tesla's down almost 10% off the high last week.
Oh, baby, 455. Damn.
We hit almost 500, I think, or maybe we broke 500.
It was 490 something. Yeah, I don't think it broke 500, but up there. What a
That's
move
about
down.
10%, man.
It's par for the course. Wait till Tesla's back to like $2,000 a share again. Shit starts moving hundreds of dollars a day. I remember trading Tesla options when it was like $1,700, $1,800 a share. Bonkers.
499.27. It looks like.
Really, $4.99?
499.
Wow.
What's the hundred? $4.99 basically.
Looking to maybe
That's
long.
$45. That's 10% from where we are now.
Jeez. Looking to maybe long 665 area. Well, you know what? The freaking 660 area will not leave the NASDAQ. 25 660 has been a straight up magnet for a while. Pretty annoying magnet.
Very scary.
Don't trust this to pump yet, but I want to see. I think I would probably. All the EMAs are right there. Just need to wait. Back up and right back down. Netflix at $93. Oracle 97. BLD high as balls. MSTR with a pump, $2. SMCI at 30. Dude, Weeble has not seen $10 since Ben bought that fucking thing. Just the death of Ben. Jesus. Warweave back to 74. Down, Reddit at 232. Gonna be a little bit of a waiting game. Fed minutes today. It's not gonna matter. Chicago Business Barometer PMI, that might matter. Okay. Wait that out. That'll probably get a little move. Nothing crazy, but it should move somewhere. I was gonna open up my live demo account. Trades off of that. I forgot. There we are. Still YM, nothing. Gold down. Gold going to VWAP. Gold will probably bounce off VWAP. Let's see. VWAP pretty much there at 82. micro on gold here. A little premature, but that's okay. Quick through it. It'll be fine. See how that plays out.
Right now, or low, already.
Bob right there. See how that goes. Right through VWAP. Overshot VWAP by 3 points. That's what I need. I need to have my demo account up so I can take 100% of the trades that I want to take.
Yeah, it's a workbook certain. What does that mean?
Like, let's say I say my strategy is I want to take a long off 660, right, on NQ. But the way the market's moving right now, I'd be a little nervous to take that long on an account that matters because of the opening range here, right? Like you said, 660 to me is a bounce, but that would be breaking the 15-minute opening range. So I wouldn't take it on my funded account. So I need to I need to have my demo account open so I can take that trade and see what would have happened if I took it. How would I have traded it from there? And if I want to see what happens if I take 100% of the trades I want to take, if I could get out in profit, you know, instead of just watching it, I want to be in it just to feel that move. I feel like it's good for the mental reps.
Win it, baby. Let's go.
It's like I'm long on my demo account on gold, long gold at VWAP. So I want to see, you know, that's the trade that I wanted to take, but gold could drop 40 points. I'm not going to risk $400 on a freaking micro on my PA if it does want to drop. So I want to see, like, if I need to take 100% of the trades, they just don't all have to matter.
Yeah. I got ya. I got ya. I got ya. My cash balance ports completely cash. Roth is about 75% cash. My IRA is about 75% cash.
All the monies. Okay, so I already gave him shit about this, but you know, Johansson said he was selling some shares for his birthday.
Yeah, I heard him. Yeah.
Right. So at the end of the day, you'd already left, and he was looking at something on his Webull, and he's like, "Oh man," I goes, "I wonder what my P&L is for this month on Webull," and I was like, "It ain't good." And he's like, "Oh, I had that one day," and I was like, "I bet you lost $40,000 in options." He's like, "Oh man," he's like, I don't know. He's like, "Oh, I don't even want to look." And then he looks. He's like, "Oh man, you were close. It's 38,700 down on options." And I was like, "Bro, you've lost. I bet you spent 40,000 on prop firms, 40 grand on Webull, and probably another 30,000 in live cash futures." And he was like, "Oh man, I don't know. There's a lot." He's like, this year alone, he sold $400,000 in shares. Well, I'm like,
Man, where'd all that money go?
exactly. Where did it go? I'm like, bro, this is not okay. Like, this is not good. Oh, gold losing VWAP.
Maybe he's gonna sell all them shares. Pay off his freaking mortgage.
Could have, yeah. I mean, dude, I was like, bro. Every time he's like, I'm gonna sell some trade. I'm like, what are you gonna do with that money? I don't know.
You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna YOLO that money.
Bro, that's like $52,000 this week. What are you doing?
He's YOLOing that money. Come on, you know.
He doesn't need to trade cash on anything. He can just trade prop firms. It's even more amazing to me that on these little futures prop accounts, he does so much better. And you know what it is? You know why he does better? Because he cannot lose the money or he blows the account, and his profit target is so small. Like, he's trying to make $400 a day on options with $25,000 of buying power. That's pretty easy to do. But when he trades his own money, you know, $400 isn't enough. He needs like a, 500% trade or something.
Yeah.
Ooh, gold is dumping. All right, so this gold VWAP bounce did not. I mean, it did work, but it didn't hold. So rejected the 9 EMA. Going down. And everyone's just watching the NQ do absolutely nothing. What's happening in the Dow? The Dow got a really nice pop. The Dow can clear this here. It's 200 moving average. By long the Dow, leave freaking NQ alone. Like that idea. He was getting a small pop here, back to the 710s. Dow breaks that, and it's gonna go straight up. I think that's kind of one of the downsides to listen to these guys who just trade NQ on futures. They get so stuck on it. It's like, bro, if it's not moving, you need to go find something else. Find something that is moving. I mean, it's trying to get a bounce here. That's 70? Yeah, there we go. 74 to 30, breaking high day. Or at least the session high, 15-minute opening range high. All right, I'm gonna take on the demo opening range break. Something I would never do with my cash money. I would never do that trade, but these guys be doing it. Not the trade I would. Points, 15 points. Oh, look at that go. There it goes. $50, 2 cons. Lucid changed the rules on their Flex account. Consistency rule is now 50% on the eval.
What was it before?
40%. Well, people were trying to pass them, and they were just like making too much money. Weren't able to activate the thing. That's what I had. I was off by like, a couple bucks. Seriously? Couple dollars. I mean, that would have gave us 10 points on that. Patrick and D Money, I'm like, they not moving? What happened over here? It was frozen. Frozen in time, man. Alright, well, let's see. I mean, that's a freaking move, dude. Freaking move. Gold's getting a bounce back. YM stuck. Up and handle. NQ. Just got stuck. It's getting stuck in nothing. Basically, overnight high. Gold popping back up. National juice news that mattered. Higher. Chicago PMI was higher than forecasted. Okay. My total open P&L now is 40 bucks green. 45 green.
It's better than a kick in the nuts.
8 bucks green. Yeah, I just want to see how this would play out. Like if that's the trade that I took. 'Cause that 15-minute range break is where these guys would all go long. I would usually never take that trade because you're buying the high at that point. Now we're down 60 bucks. That gold VWAP bounce, that's usually a pretty solid hold, at least to get back up here to 93 or something. So gold can rip your fucking face off, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. 40? Gold position is up 60 bucks. NQ is up 6 bucks. That would have been a $200 drawdown in the gold trade, though. 10 points. It overshot VWAP by 10 points. 12 points. That's a lot. There goes the opening range break. On the NQ. Or not. False break. Ryan, here it goes. Patrick not long yet. That's crazy. What's he doing?
So the stream high when I'm looking to the left, actually 770, 776. That's from yesterday around
There. Gold dropping.
But Bulls are in play, guys.
NQ trades up 100 bucks.
15 points. Oh, and I'm
Two
there
micros.
going 750, 760.
bullish. Yeah. So, hey, and hey, if they pick a direction, kind of get followed through. That 1 hour candle is super bullish, guys. So, hey, they want to pick a direction,
All right, so I'd sell those two.
meaning that they're going to pick it bullish. And
Gold trade is down $20, but that trade was up 160.
here's your short if you want to short. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not so sure now on that though, right? Because current 1 hour candle is super bullish, guys. Closing, it's closing above. I mean, you got 3 minutes left, so we'll see how this candle kind of goes. But it's closing above the 14 and the 50 so far. Somebody said short. I mean, yeah, I mean, you could draw that out. I see exactly what you're saying on the chart, but
More like it wants to go to
Right
807.
now, I mean, for I just gotta.
Look at Gio go! Look at Gio go!
yeah.
100 points off the low. What's up, D?
100
But the thing is,
points.
though, but you know what it is, though? It's quite the lows,
Just started.
and then it puts higher, which it does. It loves to do that.
It just got
It
going.
loves to do that. So, yeah, they spike
Yeah.
those and
Car just started moving.
spike those lows from like overnight lows.
It's like you're about to buy.
I don't know yet. We'll see. Dark out.
Now it's just like, now I feel like,
Yeah,
Is tomorrow a full day?
now I need like,
I think so. I think tomorrow's a full trading day. I don't know. Good question. Friday is full day. Thursday is closed.
Will it go back up or is it?
Gold went up, but it is still down. Yes, and also yes. Oh. Market doesn't really go anywhere.
for some set up here.
That is that's basically where it was this morning. This morning, that's where it was. 750.
Try to change.
Well, here. This whole area, this whole range hasn't really gone anywhere. I mean, yeah, it went down here,
Not
it went
always
up here,
fun to ask.
but in terms of where it is in general, it hasn't gone anywhere.
Trade, but
It's still in the same
better pull back here.
range.
But I'm looking for, if
Just
I'm
made
looking
it
for a
look more
flat setup,
dramatic.
really what I'm
Yeah. If you click the button enough times, it gets real dramatic real fast. Right now, I'm just taking the trades on my demo account that I would want to take on my live account, but because the market is not really moving that much, I don't want to risk any real money. So I'm going to take 100% of the trades that I would normally take or would want to, but just not all of them on. I'll take some of them on the demo account. Then I can see how right or wrong I would be.
That moment of truth. I really want to, like, I'm gonna pull back.
How much
here.
money
wanna
would
get
I
wings
leave on the
back
table
up.
by
So
not
this is
taking
like,
the trade?
this start.
It's a fun
Pull
game.
back and there's full like.
Well,
back up when that
it's not.
candle closes.
Day trading is like
Well, then I'm like,
mental
I'm like,
repetitions.
trying to
It's a lot of mental
do it
repetitions.
down.
And it's not the same if you're not in it.
Now it's
Yeah, exactly. Just if I wasn't in it, then I probably wouldn't really care what this did. I'm just watching. You know, well, could bounce, go all the way back up here. Could fall. You don't have any like. I mean, I don't have any emotional attachment to this because it's not real. But I still see it. It matters. Like if I was in that trade and just go, oh, but if this goes down here, it's down $300. I wouldn't want to be in that trade on my
Yeah.
funded account. It suck. But I would take this trade off of this VWAP bounce. I would take it off of this support. That's what I did. I took trade off the support. See if it holds.
So then do you have to
Star,
still have
pull
like
back
$100
event,
for
so
today
I'd really
when
like
you're
to see
live
the channel
or whatever?
close.
It just
You know.
started.
Oh yeah, I haven't. Okay.
I'm just open.
Still need to make my qualify days. I mean, this one I can withdraw from today or whatever. When I take a pay. But if it doesn't give it to me today, then it
Like,
is what
look
it
at
is.
this
So
chart.
just wait
This
it out.
looks like now that we're below the 750.
I'm hugging on Nikki.
No such thing.
Like a line in the sand, guys, for a bounce. So because even looking at TW's chart, you're right at the EMA, so I would expect the bounce to back up if the uptrend's gonna continue early, right?
It's got to. So
Yeah.
I guess it's the
Yeah.
line.
It does not have to.
Like,
Doesn't have to do anything.
It's not a bounce. It's not a bounce here. So,
Doesn't have to do
I'm
nothing.
watching this back above this 9. I just get a
This
little
is
more
true.
down here.
This is the way.
It just goes sideways. Most likely does go sideways. Yeah, I don't know if is tomorrow a half day? Let's find out.
Probably. All the alcoholics on Wall Street, man. They need a whole half day to get ready.
Normal trading hours. Full day.
Is like this is pulled back. Nasdaq's pulled back, so looking for this 4 area.
Oh, at the 24 area. 624. Oh. Yeah, that's not really going. Bummer.
Right there, right now. People ask me like, "What's your go break? They go break even." Happens. I won. The fact this was the reaction that I want. Not the reaction, but what I wanted. Right? I wanted to lose. Yeah. Did that. Got that like back up. So that was the reason to go break even. Now I'm back up. I might have missed. get a little less profit. Got it.
Gold getting that pop finally.
Now the question is, okay, get back above. Let's say get back above the.
That's where I would
45,
exit
50
my
area.
gold trade.
Then might be another long.
At the moving average there.
Swipe that low. Maybe it goes lower.
Close that.
There it goes.
That'd be up 192 bucks.
Also,
Taking those
low volume,
trades.
that happens too.
Drawdown would have been about 230.
Good.
Johansson just said, I got resets coming through that I didn't cancel. Too many. Oh, man.
No.
Unbelievable.
He's probably got some he doesn't even know he has because he's gone to like 58 prop frames. You know what I mean? Like he's probably every prop frame.
Fine line. Hey, happy
He's maxed out the number of accounts you can have at every prop frame.
Oh, man. You're not wrong.
Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine him trying to keep track of all that.
I don't know how he does
He doesn't, obviously.
it. Touche. He doesn't.
Just waits for the notifications. Oh dang! Oh,
Oh,
there's
man.
$800 on the credit card.
That last panel, I kind of like the idea of the push, but
Better sell it on a few more shares.
Let me go check on my smoker real quick.
stop here. That candle.
Smoking some bones, man.
You have an electric one, right? Or do you have a pellet one?
It is both of those things, actually. It's electric and a pellet smoker.
But I mean, does it use pellets primarily, or does it use
Yeah.
electricity primarily?
It uses pellets to burn, but the ignition source is electric.
Yeah. Okay.
Electric
So it's a
burner.
traditional pellet grill. It's not a electric smoker that has some pellets for flavor.
Correct. Yeah.
Where do you buy the pellets? What pellets do you get?
I go to Walmart. I get like a 20-pound bag for $14 or something.
Yeah.
30 pounds. I don't know. It's a big bag
That's
for
actually pretty good.
$14.
This big shot zone here.
If you know anybody who's got a membership to Costco or Sam's, you can get them per pound. You can get them a lot cheaper there. But the ones at Walmart aren't bad.
Yeah, they've got their general brand or whatever. It's cheapest ones I've found so far. I mean, I'm just smoking dog bone, so cheaper the
Yeah.
better. I had one of those
When
electric
I
ones
bought my
before.
first pellet grill at Walmart. It was like January, so they didn't have a lot in stock or anything, and they were clearing out their pit bots, the 20-pound bags. They had cherry, apple, and their competition blend at $5 a 20-pound bag.
Oh,
Or it was
wow.
$5 a 30-pound bag for the competition blend.
Wow, that's a good
I
deal.
bought like 40 bags.
Oh my god.
They've just been sitting in my garage.
Gold getting a move. Getting a little pop on gold here. NASDAQ falling.
I'd like to try a short here, guys.
Alright, D-Money.
And like DW said, this doesn't work out, then. But I'm basically playing.
I
the
would not
rejected
normally
before
take this,
TMA.
but I get what he's looking at.
Rejected the top of the range. So
I
you
get it.
headed
I
down
get
to
what he's
the
laying
bottom of the
down.
range.
I get it. See what
I get it
happens.
going
Was
today.
740.
Let's see what happens, folks.
What's he doing great?
He's like, nice, 7 points. All right, let's go. 10 points. That's 10 points, guys.
10 points all you need, especially in that new account.
That's true.
Right.
Look at that. That's $70 right there. Boom. Oh, and it's
Yeah.
gone.
Nice, nice, nice. Let's go, baby. Selling that down, guys.
Hey.
Back, pull back. You're at the bottom of the opening ring. That 677 level.
Yeah, that was a nice, nice flush, guys. Right, 20 points. So we couldn't break to the upside. Checked it. So brought it back down to the bottom of the range.
Eat a lot of hamburger.
No. Really, I'll buy like 4 packs of burger patties once every like 2 weeks, maybe. We'll eat them. I used to buy ground beef pretty regularly, but prices just got higher, and it's not worth it to me.
Yeah, I mean that's why I was asking. Because about 2 years ago, I bought the last time the brisket was on sale for $2 a pound. I bought a couple briskets and I ground one up a burger. It's really good burgers because it's got a lot of fat in it.
Yeah.
Held it to the bottom.
But it's cheap.
Let's go.
You know, like ground beef at the time was like $4.50 a pound, and you can get the brisket for $2.
That's what our friend said. He was like, man, he's like, I had some sirloin and chuck meat and stuff. He's like, I just put it in the grinder and made our own burgers. They were so good. Tara's like, oh, let's try that. Yeah, if you want to buy some sirloins or something. Kind of pricey, but we could do it.
Yeah, the sirloin is expensive.
I would just buy, like Kroger has ground beef on the manager's rack, be 50% off. I'll go buy it there, $2 for a pack of ground beef or something. Because I was just gonna eat it that day. I don't really care when it expires.
Back up a little bit. Still another beer flag. Maybe back up
Yeah,
700.
be about $2.49, something like that. But no, we don't. We don't eat that much ground beef anymore. I'll still buy steaks when they're on sale.
Steaks when they're on sale now are more than what steaks used to be not on sale.
We're gonna be building on a beer
They
flag
gotta be
here.
on the manager rack, man. 2 fillets for $10. Ribeye is the most expensive steak you can buy down here. Ribeyes are like $24, $25 a steak.
Yeah, they're on the manager rack. You know, they're a little bit blue, but that's okay.
That's fine.
Scrape that off.
Yep.
Yeah, like I said, I mean, I think that that relative of ours that went to Christmas, that prime rib roast that he bought, the only
Yeah, do
prime
us a
rib
solid,
roast,
guys.
I'm sure
We
he
got
paid
almost 5,000 people into the
$230
show.
at least for that thing.
We only have 729 likes. We saw a lot of W's in the
Well, I
chat.
ate about half of
So
it.
do us a solid, hit the like button if you're not subscribed to the
Go getting the pop.
From the 60 back up there, 700. Like
And
that.
two going back to reject EMA. 9 EMA rejection.
Man.
So that 1 hour chart right now got a ton of time left. Chart. So if I'm bullish, want low pre. Like chart, but four-hour chart. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, actually the previous 4-hour candle closed as a bullish hammer. Pretty interesting as well. So could be kind of grimy. Gotta keep an eye on the low guys of the higher time frame. Yeah, we could range for a while. Because you're bullish on the 4-hour chart. So every time it kind of gets down to these lows. But what's going to be interesting now is like this 683, 684 level. Is that level going to hold now? And that's the new short-term low. That's going to be kind of maintained and kind of bounce back up. Because we had a low at 673. We had a low put in at 683.
Here, I think we're gonna go.
Then we're gonna flop.
Yeah, I mean, ES is getting up. They're looking. No problem. The 90s there, back up, so it back up. Watching that. Up yet.
Bingo.
I want to see 700 reject.
Should have taken the 10 points.
No rejecting 700.
They can yank it, folks. They can just yank it back up by the bootstraps.
You don't want to go.
The filthy left want to just yank it back up.
So when Trump came into office and they did that USAID thing,
Yep.
this Somalia stuff going on in Minnesota, and now they're starting to say, well, like Washington, Ohio, like all these Democrat states, it's basically the same scam.
Basically.
They're
the same
they're
scam.
using state instead of federal funds, and it's getting funneled back to the Democratic Party to act blue.
Whoa, calm down.
Better just
These are legitimate donations by people who really support our ideas. Okay? We need the money. You can't just campaign for free, Mr. Connections. You must. It costs
Yeah, that's
money.
'cause their ideas are so bad they have to outspend by like 5 to 1. What are you you gonna get the money? Nobody wants to donate the money.
Go sideways the rest of the day, and then tomorrow's.
Kamala spent $1 billion.
She spent $1 billion in 3 months. Where did it go? Where is Kamala Harris right now? What's she doing?
Wrapped up with some bottle somewhere.
I mean, like seriously, where is that woman? Couldn't get her face off my news feed, and now, man, you got a missing persons poster.
February 28, her and Hillary will run together on a ticket.
Yeah, and that's what I didn't want to see. Look at the 1 minute chart. Had that bear flag. That should have taken us low, right? If we were going to go low, happen basically on these back up there.
And what I see right now, chat, is you're up against the previous 4-hour candle. Like,
She's doing a book tour.
Yeah.
She's doing.
that's why we're getting these actions back the opposite direction.
Which is also just another money laundering scheme.
Money laundering. She's laundering the monies.
53 points, but in a
Kamala tried to defeat me. They said there's no chance you're gonna beat her. Where is she now? She's selling books at Barnes and Nobles. It wants to go higher, folks. Also, does not want to go higher at all.
Oh, there's the pump backup.
Going nowhere. Nowhere at all. Right back to the VWAP.
Why I wasn't being. That's why I was stubborn.
It's burning premium, folks.
Burning the premium.
Like, fuck it up.
Trapping the bears.
Yeah.
Trapping the bulls.
These could
Trapping the
be,
bears.
I know it might sound a little crazy, chat. I'm waiting for this 5 minutes.
I'm gonna say.
Could be, it could be the reversal of that 4-hour. See if it like I want to see basically candles close above the 14 or 720. Close above 720. I see a reflection right now. Then there's some higher guys. There's a lot of times. So basically, you got a very small wick on the current 4-hour candle on the top. Very small. This 4-hour candle is bullish along bottom. So it could take some time, but I wouldn't be surprised if
Just the
they
call spread.
this.
There, 460
But
is
in order for
bargain.
that to happen, you want to see it start to build. So you
Rejected
close
that
above
push.
The 14A, the 15A, and then out. There's a lot of time.
Go ahead and just turn it off. Guys, haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. Big shout out to Deep Money coming in. I would suggest to you guys, I don't. Wait for the right opportunity. That chat. Run away. Look at it. What's the plan for the rest of the day? We got some work to do. Fired up. Try to make a little bit of money.
You about to break low at day.
Bear flag for me.
Not really a bear flag.
Like I said, they're down $100 today. Yeah, but on a day like today,
Maybe on the 5-minute.
not bad. Right?
That's quite the rejection from 720.
Yeah. Man,
Get down a little bit.
Gold back to
Yeah.
VWAP. Gold making a bear flag.
Up a little bit.
Gold is making a nasty bear flag.
There it is. Congratulations. So, there it is. Over it. What's the point? I've been sitting here for the last fucking hour saying I'm gonna walk away. Let D-Money stay. Nah, fuck that. Fuck everybody. Fuck everybody. Get out of here. Nah, why would D-Money stay? He don't want to trade this shit. It ain't gonna get better. I'm telling you right now, the price action ain't gonna get better in the next hour. It's only gonna get worse. If we were gonna get a move, it would have fucking happened by now. I guarantee, look at this, look right now. Like, what the fuck? Look at going nowhere. Like this. That's it. No, next year. Ever. There it is.
Get out. You know what else is still going? It's Josh.
Bears are there, folks.
Recycle. Happy unique. You might get it. Dump it.
They are gonna dump
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
folks.
Whoa. Yeah, they're coming and get you. Coming to get ya, spitting out lyrics. Homie, I'm with ya. Get out your prop firm and jump around. go crazy. I think I gotta find a job. Flush coming.
Okay. Gotta wait for this range to break. We're doing anything. Anything at all! Oh.
Uh-oh, flush coming.
I don't know if I would say there's a flush coming, but
Didn't touch it.
I don't believe that so much.
And trade though.
Bears are there, folks. baby.
Okay.
Nowhere, man. Going sideways. There's got to be something. Gold's getting a little pop off VWAP again. Russell's dumping. The Dow doesn't look hot. Micro Bitcoin's moving a little bit. Bitcoin's 88. Gonna be a slow day. Okay. Oh man, they want to go. Looks much less bearish on the gold.
WGO is like 10% off the bottom.
Yeah, it's a nice bounce.
I dropped 20% to get there. And we're bullish in calls, but I'm buying that.
Bullish. It's looking like it's breaking this consolidation to the downside. 660, man. If it's to 660, I might be interested here.
Look at the money we printing. I just gotta be just sick and tired at the end of the day, trying to fill time, like trying to fill space.
Probably.
He doesn't talk about anything macro related to markets.
Yeah. Gold dumping. MQ dumping. Trap the bears, folks.
Gonna trap the bulls, but make it look like they're gonna trap the bears. To the party. good party, actually. Yeah. 20 points. Less than 100 points. Yeah, maybe 100.
Bears are coming. Look at that bounce. Nothing bearish about that.
And in the trade.
I went long on the new PA. I don't know if it's gonna get really past VWAP here, but it might. Just give me the qualified day. It's all I need, baby. Nope. Okay. It'll probably get there. Almost there. Almost there. Now I just need to get over that so I can get my cover the commission. Come on. Oh. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh, come on. Did you feel it? Come on. Bingo. Bingo. All right. $58. Nice. Qualified day. On a day like today, what more could you ask for? You know? Qualified day.
pretty much like that. That's it. Oh, yes.
Oh, they want to go higher, folks. And look at it go, folks. They are going. Pumping that sucker up.
Get excited, but then you can put it in.
I am not chasing that.
Here. Put it in, right? Then look like. Okay.
Oh, man, I picked the wrong time to walk away. Holy smokes. It's on. Ooh, breaking out.
Yep.
Went over there and popped some biscuits out some molds. Market moved 40 points. That's a bummer.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Again.
Short it. Ooh, FSP is short 10 cons up there. Guess we're gonna wait that out. God, what a move. Sounds like my son is going to come down here with some harebrained ass idea about stickers. What?
Do they come down with any other kind of ideas?
No. None. Oh, fallen. Not the LOD, but it's LOD of New York session coming in. Oh. I'm gonna make some toast. Oh, we're gonna make bull flag.
Footage everything, but they don't.
trying to bull flag out of this.
$16.40 market.
Holy cow.
Yeah, finally broke this opening range. Made a little bull flag. Don't know if I trust it to go any higher than this, though. Ejection.
Two things would happen. One is like right away. Come out of the eventually.
I mean, it barely crossed the London high over here. It's not really. I mean, while it's higher than it was earlier, barely above anything that matters.
Yeah. Are short day or they trade full day?
Full day.
Full day.
What accounts you got left, Bubs? You just got 150? 100. I do like the Lucid. I like that it's fast.
So it's you gotta trade 5 days and make $150 a day, bucks or whatever it is.
On the 25Ks, 25Ks you have to make. So you could do this. You could take if you do the pro account, you have to trade 5 days. Minimum to qualify is $50. You got to make it over the buffer with a minimum payout of $500. So you need to make $1,600 to get paid on the 25K. If you take the flex account, you have they just bumped the consistency to 50% on the eval, so you could pass it in 2 days ish, 2 or 3 days. And then theirs is a minimum of $100 a day, 5 days, minimum payouts $500, but you only get 50% of that. So you got to make 1,000 on the flex. That's why I just choose the pro account, because the flex doesn't have consistency, but you can if you just take your time on the pros, the target's smaller. You know, just even if you don't even trade that day, like I just need to get $50 to have a qualified day, it's easier. I think the path to payout is quicker on the 25K than any other account. Yeah, you start having a decent little. You get $50, $100, no trailing floor, you know, end of day trailing, so you can risk $50, $100 on a trade. That's the way I usually do it.
So does when it goes funded, does the trading floor still end of day, or is it?
Yeah, it's still end of day. It's always end of day. So here's the thing that I wanted to see yesterday. I found out. So my account's eligible for payout. I can take my payout. If I trade that day, I have to wait until the day closes to request it.
So on the day that you request, you better to not trade.
Well, the day you request, you're going to get paid like immediately. You get paid like 10 minutes. But like right now, this account is available for payout. If I take a trade on it, like right now, I can go request a payout. If I take a trade on this account, I can't request a payout until after 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Like it
So
doesn't.
if you're going to take a payout, you need to take it first thing in the morning, then trade that day.
Yeah, or I mean, you know, at 6 p.m. or whatever. Because it updates at 6 o'clock through the maintenance period. But if, like I said, that trading day from 6 to whenever it starts here, it if you open and close a trade, you have to wait for that whole day to settle. I didn't know if it would update in real time and let me just add to my payout in real time, but it doesn't do that. Everything else is in real time. I've had 3 red days on this PA. 3 red. Yep, I had a $400 red day on day 3. And then I had a $70 red day on the 18th and a $95 red day on the 23rd. I had 22 green days, 3 red.
Good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Bad at all. Zink posted he pulled 10,000 out of 5 accounts, 28 days.
Overall, and all this fund is 39,500.
Yeah, I saw that post.
also trading multiple.
Yeah, yeah.
And he trades 5 at a time.
Yeah, he's copy trading 5 accounts.
Which I mean, is really the best way to.
If you are disciplined.
Yeah, if you were disciplined. Be Johansson.
Right. You have to be able to just take your 50 or $100 and walk away.
Take one red trade and just be like, no, fine, we'll do it tomorrow.
Right. What?
You know, bamboo.
For bamboo.
Yeah. It is larger kind. To you.
What? My build plate clean? Wiped with alcohol? Water? I don't think you cleaned it at all. Last night, it still had stuff on it this morning. Suspicious. didn't reject much of nothing here, but if it bounces off this 50-day moving average, not, it's going back down to VWAP. These low volume days always seem to magnet to VWAP. Kind of where I would expect it to end up.
That's the right of all of them. That's it. Very well.
Come here, let's see. Does it zip up? I mean, it looks like your arms fit fine. Height? Well, it's not armor jack.
This is very low. So long here. There are clips.
This is not necessarily supposed to keep you warm. It's supposed to keep you from getting all the blood up and beat up. Back, hold up, come here. Here, that's right. Well, other side around. Oh, it's fresh. Two more. Oh.
How long you take to zip it up?
Out of the box for it until we get to the trade.
See that? See? Simple.
What's that focus?
Whoa. We're just watching this thing have a pullback and ripping bulls' faces off.
Up, down, all around, man.
Yeah, that's a pretty good pullback right there. Back to VWAP.
Not do that, but don't do that. Even though you got sitting.
Just trapped the bulls. That's all that happened.
Bubs, how's the tooth, man? Oh, my mouth hurts like a motherfucker. It sucks.
Can come on any discipline.
Tooth is gone.
Take anything stronger than ibuprofen and be in a work vehicle.
It hurt nearly as bad if you were to step. How do you attach a sleeve cup?
That's the golden nugget.
Who's that?
Gary Vaynerchuk.
Oh, it's not that.
Huh? You can't tell by his voice, it's weird.
Gary Vaynerchuk, man.
Fucking hustler of all hustlers.
Very, very steady, dude.
Just take it. Put the top. Chef. Do the V-neck thing. Angle it. Here, quick. I'm going to. Should be noted that the seam must be aligned. Then take the other side. And the. Turn around. In this way.
Who's learning how to sew?
Together.
What?
I said, who's learning how to sew?
Man, my TikTok is full of sewing videos for some reason. I watched like one guy make a boat cover on here, and now it's like nothing but sewing videos.
I'd like to know how fast they randomly showed up on my YouTube feed this year.
What kind of housing can they use, what kind of hygiene they have, that kind of. Does not have number 3 people. The number 3 people are the good people, good plants. 7 people there now.
That's an ugly chart pattern, man. All right, let me walk away. It's going to go about 50 points. Quick.
Entering the 6930 here.
All right. Are we back? 50 points up? Nope. Okay. What you gonna do for your birthday, buddy?
I'm going to the office at the moment.
You gonna light it on fire? Or what you doing?
I got a truck full of gasoline. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know what we're gonna do today. My wife says we can do whatever I want. I don't know what. I'm gonna definitely fly the Vada.
Yeah.
That's on the to-do list. I don't know. Man, I'm happy, man. I'm good. It's a regular day. Made my money already today, so we're just chilling, man. I gotta go and swing by my parents. They want to see me on my birthday. Get me a cake some moment in time. No plans, man. I mean, this is gonna be low key.
All right.
Play with my son. That's about it.
Yeah, I haven't decided to do anything yet myself.
Oh, that's right. When is your birthday?
Thursday.
Okay, yeah. I knew you were around me. Thursday. So you are are you a New Year baby?
Yeah.
January 1. Wow.
January 1.
I bought so much fireworks.
I mean, you do love to blow money up.
Listen, I probably spent $500 on fireworks.
That's rookie numbers right there. What do you get, like 4 fireworks for $500?
Oh man, I still have all the big stuff from last year. Man, we gotta have fun.
Yeah,
I
launch
think we
them.
might go buy some more.
Launch them and then fly the drone up there and watch them blow up.
Well, I wanted to ask you, have you ever done something like that before?
Yeah.
Like, the video comes out okay or no?
Yeah, it comes out pretty good. They got good cameras on them.
'Cause I'm thinking I'm gonna do that, man. I'm gonna definitely go put the drone up and get some footage of some stuff going on.
Gotta chase them, man. You gotta give them the go-kart and chase them. Real low fly chase. That's fun.
So cold, man.
Yeah, well, I don't want to go outside for nothing right now. It's gross out there. There it goes, right to VWAP. Now that is a trade I might long right there, that VWAP. How bad do you think this could end? We long VWAP here. I'll long it. I'll make a few dollars off a VWAP bounce. Oh, my guess is probably not going to give me what I want, but maybe.
Did you request your payout yet?
Nope. Gotta make a few more dollars on it. Yeah, I don't like this as much as I should. Ugh. not really much of a bounce off EY. Well, that sucks. Cut one of them hoes. Probably gonna cut both of them, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna cut both of them. I don't like it. Didn't really give me what I wanted. Grab back.
What you trading on?
Oh, I did not get a bounce. Oh, now it's getting a bounce. Might as well just wait it out.
We should have a coupon discount going on right now, Lauren.
Yeah, you can use my code. Gives you like 30-something% off. 40% off? I don't know. I think that if you've never bought one, I think you get an even better deal. That's my code, TMFUSA. I think new customers get a better deal than people who bought it already. It might be 40%.
25K Pro, $120.
Yeah, no, I paid 72, but I think you might get it for 60 something. You've never had one with them.
Getting the Pro or the Flex?
Pro. Which one do you use?
I have 5 Flex.
The Flex seemed like a good deal, but the target's higher. The daily target's higher. And
What you
the day when you have a pro account, a qualified day is $50 on a 25K. If you get a flex account, it's $100 on a 25K. So it's double to get a qualified day in. That consistency rule only matters if you want to freaking YOLO that thing. And on the smaller accounts, you don't have the leverage to YOLO in that shit. And even at 40% consistency over 5 days really ain't even that bad.
Oh, they don't have a daily loss limit on the 25Ks, but they do 50s.
Correct. Also correct. Which makes the 50 daily loss limit and the 25K about the same. That's why I look
daily loss limit on the flex accounts.
right. Flex accounts is no DLL, but like I said, your qualified day is higher. You still have to hit the qualified. You have no profit target, but you do have to have a qualified day.
correct?
You have to trade a minimum of 5 days. Believe me, I study all the rules, and my opinion is the 25K Pro is the best rule set to trade. Now, if you want to go for big wins, trade minis, then the flex account's probably your friend. But you know, you're more than likely going to hit that DLL on those accounts.
No, there's no account better than the 50K
That's not true.
trade day. 50K trade day.
Trade day.
End of the day.
The best account is $50,000 cash money. That's the best account.
Well, of course.
Hook 'em up. Yeah, gold just got a nice big old breakout pump. Shot up 15 points. Damn, look at that. Flip the whole view up, the whole move. That's nasty. Nasty work right there, man. Okay. Still going down. We're gonna go low a day here at this rate. Which one are you picking, Bubs?
I got the 50K.
Ah! 50K flex?
Yeah.
Ah!
Hey, my man. Where with the flex?
I don't like it. I don't like it. 50K. What? How much was it?
$65.
Yeah. See, mine's 78.
Good price.
I get it at 78. So you get an entry deal for not having one. Hey.
What's your problem with it? The rules seem alright.
You're an employee. Why would you write, I am aware I have not been checking emails while on break? You idiot.
I said it was the minimum days to qualify for a payout, and then it's 5, and the amount you had to make is like 150, something like that.
I think it's at 150. Yeah.
I think it's 150, 5 days, and then minimum payout request is $500. So, but you only get half of it, like Top Step. They only let you
But the other
pull
half stays in
50%.
that account.
The other
It's
half
not-
does
it's
stay in
not
the
to
account, but you have to make double. You have to make at least 1,000. You get a $500 payout. What?
But then it
Well,
was
wait.
6 days, 6 payouts, and then it puts you in the live account.
Yeah, but that's on all of them. All
Bubs, you
accounts.
saw my first request on the options prop account?
I did.
Did they approve it yet?
I don't know. Why can I not trade it? Real-time market data required to trade this contract. Please update your market data subscription. Place a new trade.
Did you sign all your
How the
paperwork?
fuck you do that?
You gotta log in to. When you log into Tradeify or Tradeivate, you have to. Are you using Ninja Trader?
No, trade of 8.
Yeah,
You
when
gotta do your market data. You did that?
Yeah, when you log into Tradeivate under that account, it should bring you to a little pop-up screen that you have to like check some boxes on.
I have to switch accounts before to get it to pop up. But if you have multiple accounts on Tradeivate, switch to a different account and then switch back to that one, or otherwise reload Tradeivate. You had it open already.
Because you've never had an account with them.
Start live trading, market replay, simulated trading.
Simulated trading, yeah.
I thought.
Are you on your phone?
What time? Yeah, I'm on my phone.
You might have to open it, the Tradeivate in the web app. Like on the browser. Instead of the actual app.
Got it.
I picked up 2 Vanquish accounts, Lauren.
I don't even know what that is. Tell me, what is it?
It's an option, 2 option, another 2 options.
Oh, okay.
This one doesn't have any daily drawdown on it though. So I have max drawdown of 5,000.
Oh, you gonna blow that up real fast.
Hey man, I'm gonna take multiples on those suckers, man. Like, I'm gonna multiply what I'm doing with the other firm to stay below 1,000. Like, I'll take like a bunch of S. It's got 30% consistency, but still, I'm gonna use that same rationale. You can have 10 of them, Lauren.
10 what?
Okay, now we're good.
10 what?
You can have 10 option accounts.
I bet they give you 100 of them. I bet
No,
they
it
give
doesn't
you
let you have 10 of them.
so many.
What about to vanquish your bank account?
Yeah. This guy's a fucking guy, dude. Hey, no stopping you, man.
Yeah, no, you can't stop this. Train is bound for glory, dude. I'll pass that 5th one today with trade the one I'm with already. Right. I don't know why though. I can only request a max of $1,000. That don't make sense to me.
Here's our strong folks.
Don't you want to hang it in there?
It is hanging in there. Out at it. Let's see if we. Well, we're still down 8,000. Let's see why. Oh, it's because it's. No, it should be higher. Yeah, with those evals, Bubs, I just try to trade like a couple minis and just bank like $200 to $400 at a time. Try to get like a couple points, and then since it's end of day, just keep doing that. Get it up there. With the 25Ks, I just go for pretty much straight past the account one trade. It's only $1,200 bucks.
You do that with a point, you're getting for 50% consistency. So no matter what, you can't pass it.
Yeah, but you can still get to $1,500 bucks. I mean, that's.
Oh yeah, but you can't take anything more than 2 until you get above $1,000 profit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but 2, that's 25 points.
That was a funded account, yes.
Yeah, 25, 30 points on two minis is half your target. This looks like it wants to go back to low a day and probably just going to close at VWAP again.
What it looks like.
Into PayPal?
I'm 2,500. Okay, 2,500 almost.
Okay.
Hey, look at this. All right. Oh, Josh. Let's go. That's $400. Woohoo. That was easy. Oh, man. Good, how are you, sir? Why you don't make no money, Josh?
I made plenty of money on the class.
Yeah, right.
That I was back to daddy.
9:30 is about to go into profit.
Yeah, I've got one. All right, what'd I miss? Pumperooski. Pumperooski. Doesn't look like another. I'll wait it out till after one. I hear you made some money, Bubs.
swear it's completely random. Birthday. What up, easy doing?
No. So pumped. Be a bear flag.
Right, folks. I'm off to enjoy my birthday. Y'all have a good day.
Adios. Good there.
Oh, back to VWAP. Action off of freaking nothing.
where we're going, but there we go.
I don't know where we're going either. Bubs is back.
I'm going again.
Going where?
Got finishing cleaning that truck, I'll be right back.
Cleaning fish? What do you say?
Clean his truck, something.
Whatever that was. Don't have patience.
Wow, look at the bounce, folks. Who would have seen that coming? Who would have thought you could have made the money?
Right before that green candle, though.
That green candle was 6 points.
Yeah, something. You see Tim Wall's latest press conference where he suggested that researching Somali fraud is white supremacy?
Yeah.
Now the left are like attacking Nick Shirley. Like, oh, who's this guy? He's not a reporter. He's not supposed to be there. Some guy from Axios or something suggested that the Somali people could use stand their ground laws and shoot them.
Nice.
go, and it will move another 50 points.
50 points.
Probably
From open? We're at open.
674 to high day.
690, 794.
130 points. Yesterday was about 120, I thought they said.
Yeah, probably. Oh, it's gonna end right here if you want. Again, because there's no volume. Market's always gonna go back to where there's the most amount of trades placed. It's just how it works when there's no volume and no momentum. It's just gonna hang out here. All the EMA is converged.